5 colors, Mommy.
Look why like this. I don't know. Blue.
Where's the other pack?
You open all? No, the same. Look. Tayo dito ng coloring egg. It's okay. Kasi red.
They're all the same color, Roman.
Huh?
I smell of vinegar. I
Yellow. Okay. Ay, mainit. Mainit.
It's okay because it's green and heck, it will be hard to find it in the garden.
Will you put it in the garden? Not that garden. The garden over there. The big one.
Ah, that's light green.
Light green, dark green, blue, yellow. The vinegar, I can't match it with your vinegar and salt.
This one is lighter. This one.
Just say
This one is yellow.
light green, green, dark green. Oh no. Dark green, green, light green.
Ay, the blue, the nice one.
Where's yellow?
Okay. Kill on green.
Kill. Green and blue?
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I'll put here.
Blue and light green, it makes. Mommy, it's blue.
We will see if we Ginger tomorrow. We will hunt with her. Wala na yung mga ibang pusa.
That's yellow.
Hindi sila mapermi sa bahay kaya sa garden. Si Ginger lang ang nag-i-stick sa garden. Pero yung iba, pakain lang, aalis na sila.
Do you need this, Mommy?
Okay na din para hindi sila mag-away-away. Naaway lang si Ginger. Si Ginger pala nang away kasi sa kanya yung garden na place. Si ano naman kasi, si tawag nito, si Orange, gala siya kung saan pupunta. Kasama niya yung ibang ano. Si Ginger talaga ang nandito lang. Happy color, why? Haida, it's about
Look, I found the blue thingy.
Happy Easter po sa ating lahat.
Okay, okay, that's sure.
The color here, the blue. Ito na po ang color. Green, yellow. Yellow ito sa ano, pero ewan ko bakit ganyan naman yung box. Blue, light blue.
We got scattered.
5 yung color dalawang green, dalawang yellow naman ang nilagay. Nasa box. Pero yung blue ang ganda niya. Okay.
Wow, that was the fastest egg Hayda ever.
Guys, maingay po. Gabi na po sa Lebanon, hating gabi. Maingay sa kalangitan. Nagising lang ako kasi maingay, dumaan po sila. Yung papawid ba? Ang lakas.
Okay. Ito 50 yan. Let's go mag-hunt tayo. Mag-hunt. Dito si Ginger. Good morning, Ginger. Ingay-ingay niya eh. Halika na. Tulungan natin si Kuya, ate. Yeah, sige na, mag-start na kayo dito.
Oh, we can start? Okay.
Start! Here, everywhere here. May nakuha na yalak is yan. Everywhere in my part. Oh, bravo. Be careful, don't break.
Mommy, why is it here though?
Ella. Ginger is helping too. Yala, Ginger, show them. Si Ginger ang kasama ko nag-hide. Ituro naman ni Ginger. Yala. Yala, yala.
You took one of my Kian Juniors.
Yala, yala. Everywhere here. Bala, bala. I put all here. Ginger, don't chew them out.
That one, if you put one in the cat's grave.
Ginger, don't chew mommy.
Ella, Keon. Almost Keon Jr. Another Keon Jr. One Keon Jr.
Ginger is swallowing these.
Say hi, mommy.
Si Ginger ang kasama ko. You need to be close to her. She know where I put. Don't show Ginger, ha?
Yeah, take me to the egg. Take me to the egg.
Good morning. Yala, tata. We will help ate and kuya. They will hunt.
I think your Ginger did not help you.
Here, too much here. Somewhere here. Here.
Wait, that's all my Keon Jr.
Careful.
I'm barely seeing because I put cream on daddy's back. My right eye. What are those green eggs? How come we have one now? Yeah. Which one?
Hey, be careful the plants. You're stepping them.
You want it?
Here. This part.
Found one. Mommy, it's winning. A good one.
I don't want. Be careful, mama.
I found what you have. No, juniors.
Sabay kuha tayo ng ipagkain natin kay Mr. Morning. Ito, pwede na ito. Yes. Kiyan, hon, in this part. Pibad. The cat is searching also.
Where in the spot, mommy?
There. Here, in this part.
Come here, Ginger. Oh, I'm already seeing.
Bala, Fi,
I'm
mama.
already seeing with my right eye.
Fi, habibi. It's green.
And no more Keon Juniors.
Pibad. Ada na ay da ate.
9.
9. Yuki yan, be careful.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Pibad.
Where's the cat going? Where are the eggs?
Yala, Ginger, help them. Nakikipag, ano din si Ginger eh. Yala, Fi, hon, somewhere here.
Come here. Let us somewhere. Come here.
Higa na siya.
No!
She said, I don't want to show.
No!
And then po, Kian, I think it's finished. Kalas. Kalas. Pibad 1. Pibad 1.
Give it for me.
I don't remember. I think outside.
Outside there.
Hon. You took 2, hon?
Yeah, Muffy.
No more yan. I think 2 I put here.
She said, mommy.
I forgot where I put.
Mommy, is this a sign?
It's here. Somewhere here. Somewhere here. But just check. Be careful the plants. It's color green. Yellow. I think. Be careful the plants.
No. Put my eggs here.
Kian, be careful.
Big hash hard.
You will remove the plant. He catch it. Yeah, let's go. You break it, I think.
No, this is like cardboard.
Okay. Yeah, count your eggs. There. Count your eggs. Yeah, you prepare now the things. We go to church. I-crack natin ito.
I have 9.
Finish. Yeah, let's go. All in all 20. Yeah, let's go.
You want buy 2 because Ginger will be. Actually, they were right there. And bye, Ginger. Ginger.
Come, you eat your egg. Tata ka, Ginger. Maligo lang kami dahil punta tayo sa church.
Ayan, pauwi na po kami.
We cracked the eggs, the one we found.
Yeah. Oh, malamig. Hawa.
Ah.
Narinig nyo yun, guys. Today is Sunday. Walang tigil po ang pagbumba nila. Barbecue po tayo. Ito ang pang-lunch namin. Dito kami sa garden ni Ginger. Naghingi na naman. Oh, ayan ang pusa. Maglaro kami. Katatapos na namin kumain. Hindi mo naman kinain yung pagkain mo. Itong pusa na ito, pag ayaw na niya yung food, ayaw na niya. Oh. Hindi mo naman kinain. Oh. Oh. Diba? Tapon lang dyan. Oh. Hindi mo naman inuubos. Katatapos lang kumain. Ginger, oh. Ay, ano na naman yun? Ay, nako. Alam nyo, kasagsagan ko gabi ng lakas. Oh, rinig nyo ba yun? Ano guys, tawag nito? Ay, yung papawid. Wala pa rin tigil. Daan dito sa amin. Yan si Ginger. Wala na yung mga kasama nila. Kasama niya. Bukas mag-harvest na tayo ng ganito. Matigas na po siya. Pati ito, last na harvest ko na ito. Mga beans. Ayan, oh. Yan. Ito kasama ko sa garden. Si Ginger, matutulog sana ako. Pero nagmeow-meow siya. Kailangan niya nang kasama si Gordon. Aga-aga pa. 3 o'clock na dito sa amin. Dito ka. Walang tigil ang dito. Kahit Easter po. Ano tayo? Mag-take na tayo. Kagabi, grabe. Ang ingay sa kalangitan.
Mommy!
Ano?
Well, probably. Oh, you and I.
Ano ay hit?
Get hit.
Nabasag.
I want to get. I will get hit. You're coming.
Hey, twijfel, Inter, you have to hit the middle.